So who are we? Shani Shenhef Company was established in 1986. Since then, we have imported, distributed, and sold products to customers in a variety of industries. If our 30 years in the industry has taught us one thing, it's consumer behavior. And we've used this understanding to identify an important market failure. Our clients know how to overcome the financial gap linked to their working capital needs, but they continuously encounter difficulty when trying to finance their equipment, CapEx investments. This is a significant market failure that exists throughout the Western world. We can help. For example, we have supported thousands of small businesses affected by the coronavirus outbreak make a quick and efficient transition to the online and mobile sales by opening online stores that are connected to a wide shipping network. That way, all of their orders can be sent to their customers' homes automatically and they won't lose business. Here's another example of our investments. A customer can reduce his electricity costs by 30% by investing in a biodiesel-powered generator. He will see a return on his investment within 3 years. The problem with traditional investments for SMBs is that they take a large portion of their available cash flow. We present a unique model that sidesteps this concern. In our model, the business is still being charged interest to finance their investment, but this payment reduces significant and more dominant cash investments that would otherwise be needed, thereby immediately benefiting the company's cash flow while making its processes more efficient. We not only offer our clients product and technology investments, but also finance these investments for them and even help them assimilate the equipment into their business. Let's talk about a broad industry commodity: coffee. We constantly learn from our customers' behavior and their consumption habits, and our data scientists use this knowledge to strengthen our business model, building a system that allows all of our clients to share the products they consume. In Israel, coffee is 3 times more expensive than it is in Europe. So we built a model whereby a customer acquires an option that allows him to consume coffee beans in significantly higher quantities than he practically consumes. So by applying methodologies from the fields of insurance, customer behavior, and crowdsourcing, we quickly turned into Israel's largest roasting house, a distributed roasting house, a blockchain roasting house. This has created an efficient, profitable model for all companies involved. Let us explain. In a situation where a business invests in a roasting machine, the price of the coffee falls by half from the average in Israel, but the quality of the coffee would continue to increase. Until today, who would have thought that an Israeli small business could afford an AI technology-based roasting system? As we have already mentioned, our investments focus mainly on things like industrial technologies, hardware, software, and advanced automatic machines, and more. Here's another example. The retail sector, convenience stores, and fuel companies employ temporary personnel. They expect these employees to demonstrate Superman capabilities and be able to provide service, charge clients, grind the coffee, operate pumps, accept orders, and make drinks all at the same time. But it's simply not possible, and their businesses suffer from inefficiency and long lines as a result. What if, instead of boiling milk and grinding coffee, these employees could simply click a button on their cell phone and get a perfect cup of coffee, free of human errors like overcooked milk or poorly ground coffee beans? And what if the customer could order from a screen and request a cappuccino or even ice cream in an instant? What if this ordering screen was portable, so a waiter could carry it as he takes orders, and the order would instantly appear in the kitchen without requiring him to run there? The seller would get more orders, their business would run more efficiently, and it would cut their lines in half. Similarly, imagine that your dentist needs to order a dental crown in your size and structure. But instead of waiting days or weeks, he can simply push a button in the clinic's 3D printer and print you a crown in an hour. This system, which includes AI technology and a 3D system, is valued at $50,000, and it both saves waiting time and allows the doctor to diagnose, treat, and discharge you all in one office visit. Now let's take a little step back. Next month, we will be launching solutions that directly address the consumer market. How will it work? Remember the same gas station we spoke about earlier? On the same ordering screen, you as a business can give your customers espresso from a $3,000 machine that you are paying only $39 a month on. And you can provide the highest end coffee from any of our customers who own a roasting machine for pennies a cup. We've created the first blockchain of roast houses. With this system, the same business who signed up for ordering screens from us can use the account to receive coffee from any of our roasting houses. All of our POS systems communicate with each other and grant customers the option of transaction at a gas station, depositing or withdrawing money, and even transferring money via text message. Plus, because of all the benefits of sharing resources, the consumer saves 2% on every dollar spent on the system, while the seller saves the transaction fee, just like that. For every $5,000 the consumer deposits in the system, he would be credited for $100. And in the same proportion for $50,000, the consumer would be entitled to $1,000. This, my friends, is the power of an ecosystem based on shared resources. When obtaining a business client, we approve transactions for them as part of an underwriting process that includes a credit committee and other conservative processes. In addition to analyzing the information of the customer's credit and financial history, we have developed a new, state-of-the-art, big data-based underwriting model that is backed by experienced underwriting experts and supported by gifted data scientists. How does this underwriting model work? First, our dedicated investment manager arrives in person to each and every business customer. While he is there, he collects over 270 parameters that help measure the business. For example, what type of business is it? Do all lights in the business work? Are there stairs at the entrance? Are the recent trends saving or spending capital? Is it a family-owned business? Are family members working there? These 270 parameters feed our innovative and actuarial underwriting model. Yes, just like that, we use an actuary. We typically know a lot more than the business owners themselves and are deepening our ability for predictive analytics. History is important. It can present us with vital data, but it doesn't show us what's happening now. We now have the ability to know the pulse of our business customers online, using real-time data to identify concerns, offer commercial and financial solutions, strengthen our customers' businesses, and, most importantly, protect our investments. At convenience stores, for example, we can connect directly to espresso or ice cream machines using IoT components, and they can tell us exactly how many portions have been sold. Similarly, in businesses that use our POS systems, we can monitor their daily turnover. Taking things even further, we know which sectors have been active, the profitability of each sector, who has available merchandise, and how much merchandise they have. We can use this information to create customer expectations and a comprehensive profile long before the client's accountant has consolidated their financial statement. That's why we are the first to invest, as well as the first to detect a slowdown. Everything is stored and processed in our big data system. The bottom line, we enable businesses to adopt automation, and we help finance these automation solutions. Whether it's 3D printers, oil filtration systems, biodiesel generators, hybrid espresso machines, software, IoT hardware, or anything else. In addition, our innovative underwriting system and our ability to physically and frequently visit our customers nationwide helps us keep our finger on the pulse and stay ahead of the market. There has always been a linear relationship between risk and return. Our reversed relationship between risk and return is unique. What makes this such a safe investment? When a borrower enters a leasing agreement, he pays it when everything is normal from the released portion of the cash flow. We offer him agreements that are different from what is normal on the market, where the borrower can be released when there are issues, which makes it a much safer investment for them. For us, when we recognize difficulty with the borrower, or in the case of a failure to pay, while banks and other lenders press charges or seek for the conventional collection solutions, confronting the borrower who cannot meet his payments, we simply take the highly tradable asset back and sell it to the next customer for a new term with shorter payments. By doing so, we freed the weak borrower from his commitment, and a new customer gained a significant advantage. Yes, we can easily exchange our borrowers to the benefit of all. Additionally, some of our investments are backed by a first-to-fail safety cushion that backs up our underwriting, and we also offer credit insurance. With all of this, we have created an innovative, fourth-generation financing tool that allows you to diversify with customer exchanges, a first-to-fail safety cushion, a borrower swap, and even credit insurance for extreme cases, with a return that is exceptional for such low-risk investment. This fourth-generation investment is a fair, safe, and profitable financial opportunity.